Robotic Process Automation, RPA. This technology is expected to continue its growth, automating repetitive tasks and improving efficiency. Imagine a world where mindless, repetitive tasks vanish, where hours spent clicking and copying are slashed to minutes. A world where the boring stuff gets done by robots. No, not the kind with arms and legs, but silent, invisible digital workhorses, humming away in the background. That world, it's already here. It's called Robotic Process Automation, or RPA, and it's transforming businesses faster than you can say copy-paste. Now you may be wondering, why should I care about robots doing paperwork? Simple. If you've ever wished for an extra hour in a day, RPA is a glimpse into your future. RPA doesn't just save time, it's the ultimate efficiency booster. Imagine companies shifting from manual grunt work to focusing on innovation, creativity, and strategy, all thanks to a few lines of code that never tire or complain. Stay tuned, because RPA might be about to revolutionize the way you think about work. So what exactly is RPA? Think of it as a team of invisible helpers that handle all the mundane tasks we'd rather avoid, from entering data, sending emails, to updating spreadsheets. RPA bots are like the ultimate interns, minus the coffee breaks and office gossip. They sit quietly in the digital trenches, taking over those mind-numbing routine jobs and giving humans the freedom to tackle work that actually requires, well, a human. And it's not just office work. RPA is now woven into industries across the board. Banks use it to verify transactions faster. Healthcare systems rely on it to manage patient records without errors. Even airlines use RPA to reschedule flights and update customer information. These bots are everywhere, quietly handling tasks we used to think were too human to automate. Here's the kicker. RPA doesn't need fancy new systems or huge IT overhauls. It works right within existing software, like a ninja blending in, ready to take action. Need a bot to log into an old system and check a few hundred account statuses? No problem. RPA simply does it faster than you could ever dream. Now let's dive into the big question. Why is RPA growing so fast? Well, besides slashing cost and boosting productivity, there's one very enticing factor: accuracy. We're talking about robots here. They don't make typos, they don't forget, and they definitely don't zone out halfway through the day. For companies, that means fewer mistakes, happier clients, and a lot less time fixing human slip-ups. It's efficiency on steroids. And here's a twist: as RPA grows, the workforce doesn't shrink. Instead, jobs are evolving. Routine tasks are becoming the bot's domain, while humans are free to focus on complex problem solving and innovation. Companies that adopt RPA often find their employees less bogged down and more engaged. It's not about replacing people, it's about letting people do their best work. So where is RPA headed next? We're talking intelligent bots with AI smarts that can analyze, interpret, and even predict. Imagine bots that don't just enter data, but also understand it. Bots that learn patterns and suggest solutions. This evolution means that RPA is set to not only handle repetitive work, but also tackle decision-making and data analysis, all without a single coffee break. Robotic Process Automation isn't just a tool. It's the silent, reliable partner that lets us focus on big picture goals. It's the start of a new era of productivity, creativity, and innovation without the monotony. Stay safe, stay secure, and remember that as more businesses dive in, RPA is gearing up to change the world of work, one bot at a time. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.